So, hi everyone, as you can see by the name and by the new area around us, this is the new place. We've got a new unit, we're taking things a step up. I wanted to wish everybody a happy new year a month ago, but we're just working on the new space and working on everything, but we're back. For 2023 guys, we've got a few things planned, me and also the Alfred in the background, Paddy. The new surroundings, we're going to be showing you everything, but instead of me just telling you, let me just show you. So we have a plethora of suits to show you guys. I've been working in the background hard on a few things. If you have followed the Instagram, you will see there's a few new suits like the Spider-Man. I have the Robinson there in the background. We've already sort of did a video on that. But this year I'm going to show you in depth. I'm going to show you in depth how to make these costumes from start to finish with the new surroundings, with the new area. What we're going to do is actually, build up from the start, show you how to sew it, how to cut it, what fabric to pick, and what you want to make. Okay, so right down to buying the four-way stretch lycra, to me choosing colours, to then going and detailing them and picking out the design, to the drawing stage. Everything this year, guys, is going to be in depth. With the new area and the new surroundings, the new unit, work will be a bit more professional. Let's just say I've wanted to make these videos professional for years and for you guys. We all make costumes either in our spare time or in our rooms and whatnot, and to me it's a very personal experience. To me, it's something that everybody does, that we all have these dreams, we have these ideas that on paper it's not enough. But when we draw it, when we have these ideas, it's not enough. We need to be in the suits, we need to be living these experiences. Comic-Con's the perfect way. So without any further ado, I just wanted to show you the new surroundings and we'll get into some costumes just like this one. I do apologise, I am a bit muddled because I'm wearing a face shield, but I will take it off in a while. I do just want you to, see the new Spider-Man suit that we were working on. This was a personal project of mine for a few months. So yeah, just like to take it in. I am wearing a face shield. Again, that's why I'm muddled, but all the waves are hand drew. Everything is four-way stretch lycra. And yeah, I haven't done the back spider yet. This is the new Spider-Man, guys. Again, this is a personal project. Let me just show you when we take it off. So the mask zips off here at the back. Oh, and we pop off the face shield. So yeah, guys, this has been, a personal project of mine for, I think, 6 months. The face shield just sort of came handy. I lent this out around Halloween time that year to a friend. That's why I haven't really shown it. I haven't finished the web pattern yet on it also, but we will get there. This is just a nice base for something that I want to try. The black and, the sort of design at the end of No Way Home, it's something that I really want to try. But this, the lycra does come shiny, as you can see. So it does sort of match his No Way Home design at the end of No Way Home, which is something that we're going to create this year. The shiny lycra, the four-way stretch, everything, guys, I'm going to show you how to sew together, cut out all the patterns, and again, draw on all the webs. It's a process, but we will get there. I've been excited to show you guys this for a while now. I've held back a lot, but yeah, I think it's about time you see it. Then we'll just jump into another suit. So this is another one, guys, that you remember. This is the Battinson. Now you can go and check out the how-to on the channel. I haven't fully done the cape and I've also lost the gloves, but we'll get there. This is the Battinson that I designed, I think, for around 2 years. It took me a long while. If you go from the first videos and the first pictures that I ever showed you of this, guys, to now, it really has came a very long way. I'm very proud of this costume. It's all cardboard, by the way, so if you use EVA, foam, silicone, you can go and buy the parts, you can 3D print them, There's plenty of videos, guys, online. There's a new guy I actually saw make this out of cardboard in a lot of detail. Check out the videos on YouTube. But yeah, everything was handmade. This was a passion project for when the Batman came out. And I think this is the last one that I will make, because this is the V.12, I think now, that I've made. And this one is going to be the last Battinson. Everything is done to detail, correct, or sorry, no, I am going to do one more because I have 1 or 2 ideas to make it really professional, just to make it that extra touch. But for this one, we actually have the symbol that comes out like he has in the movie, and it goes in like this. So that's what we're going to try and implement. We'll just put some magnets in here and stuff. That's what I've been implementing these past few months into the Battinson, is the actual movie accurate things. I'm not going to have the grapnel gun come out of the bottom of my gauntlet, which some people have done. And that is pretty cool, seeing people do that and have it come out. But again, this is all your passion. This is all about what you want these costumes to be. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to in the past year that I've been absent. I've been working on these costumes just like other ones. But again, if you want to go and check out how to make this, there's the cowl, there's the body armor, there is the body suit. So yeah, and also the gauntlets. So please let me know what you think of it, and we'll just jump into another costume right now. Into this one. So again guys, this is the Robinson, just like the Pattinson, the exact same leg, you know, the same sort of armor template, the only thing is we changed the color. Now this has been a very personal passion project of mine. The Robinson was something that I dreamed up as soon as I saw the Pattinson design. I was like, what would his Robin look like? As we all do, you know, if you see any kind of manga, anime, film type of armor leg, don't be afraid to adapt it to your favorite character. That's what I've always been doing. That's always what I thought was best for Spider-Man and stuff. Anything I liked in a certain character, I just adapted it into that one. So yeah, you'll actually get some good results. This year I will be showing you how to make this all in depth. This costume again is made from completely cardboard, and then we glued it onto the bodysuit. The cape, I've had to take off the collar just because it sort of came off. The yellow collar really did stand out. I wore this on Halloween. This is my favorite costume, I think. This and Spider-Man, it's between these two. I feel so, you just feel this costume, especially when you're wearing it. If you take off the cape, I will show you, it just looks like badass body armor. But yeah, guys, you can learn how to make this year. I'm going to show all these videos in depth, and this is also what I've been working on. You know, my passion for Robin and Batman goes a bit obsessive, as we all know with the videos and the many videos I have done on these characters. But yeah, I will always continue to make these, to adapt these in the future like suits and costumes. Yeah, this has been everything I wanted this year. I sort of took time out. If you just follow the Pattinson leg, you know, you follow the Pattinson armor, the videos, you will be able to make this costume. I think we'll jump into one or two other costumes, and that'll be us, guys. But I really just wanted to show you all the progress that we've made in the past 2 years, and please don't stop your progress. Let's jump into one more costume. To this costume. So guys, this is one that I've hid away for a while now. This is the Assassin's Creed sort of Viking Valhalla, you know, Celtic armor that I worked on. If you have played Assassin's Creed Valhalla, there is the Tarantus armor, there's the Gaelic Black armor, there's a few armors there that's sort of inspired by Celtic, you know, sigils and stuff, which is, I'm still working on this. I haven't, you know, I have the fur and stuff here at the back. I've added on a few other details. I haven't got all the wraps on yet. There's a lot of layers to this, you know, but today I just wanted to show you this costume because I think this is a 2-year process of adding, tweaking, taking away things. With the new Assassin's Creed Mirage coming out, this is sort of a costume that I wanted to update. I still love Eivor. I have to say Ezio Auditore de Valencia. Ezio Auditore de Valencia. Finally, I got it out there, guys. But Ezio seems to be my favorite assassin. Eivor comes in like a close second. We have the hidden blades here that I have, you know, sort of designed. I hope to maybe make these workable one day. But this is just something that I maybe will wear at a con, you know, to be comfortable. I want to do a passion project again, personally, for myself. Always take what you love, guys, and sort of adapt it, make it. Assassin's Creed is something that I have loved for around 10 years now. I've added on things that I thought, color schemes, different materials, different fabrics that I think would have worked. And yeah, we have a double hood, we have the fur here that was happily donated by my family. You can get that off Bold Clothing. But I just wanted to show this costume. Let me see what you think, guys. Let me know down below what you think and how we're getting into this. And if you want to know how to make other Assassin's Creed costumes, if you want to find out how to do this leg yourself, let me know down below and we can, you know, make the video on down the line. Thank you for watching here, and I'll just jump into another suit. So everyone, that was the costumes. This is what I've been up to in 2023. Honestly, if you're watching this right now and you came back to the channel, thank you so much. I do apologize on the hiatus. Just getting the unit, I moved house, personal things in my life. Never take your personal life for granted and always focus on yourself. Cosplay will always be here. These costumes and these ideas will always be here. Our passion, hopefully, will always be here. Never let it die. So you know me, as I say, always let the geek speak. On this channel here, that's all we want. We just want the geek to speak. We'll be bringing out maybe merch this year. I just wanted to show you, this looks badass, guys. You know, this body armor looks badass. You just look cool in it. I just want to say, like, you know, I've got a bit more excited about the channel, about the costumes, about everything else. The professionalism and also the personal touch, guys, I want to bring to you has always been here. I don't want you to come to the channel and think that you can never do this, you can't just go out and get cardboard and materials and stuff. I learned the easy way, just like you sitting at home, picking up things that I could use, things that were just lying around, and I put them together. And this is where I am. 10 years later, you will also be here. Again, if you came back to the channel, thank you for watching so far. Please stay tuned for all of this stuff to come, because we have a lot coming this year. I do promise you that. As always, let your geek speak. From me, Paddy, the Alfred in the background, we're just so excited to be back. Happy 2023, guys. Again, I just can't stop saying, always let your geek speak. Please subscribe and comment. Let me know down below what you think of the costumes and the costumes you want to see this year. Let me know what you think of the DC film slate that's just came out. And yeah, guys, have a good day. Love you all. See you later.